Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Roshan and today we will be discussing about 50 important MCQs and points from Indian geography, and these are going to be helpful for any kind of competitive examinations, especially the UPSC and state civil services examinations as well as other competitive examinations. These points have been extracted from the NCERT textbook class 9 chapter 2, and let's begin without any further delay. Also, these are just 50 points from this chapter, and there are about 50 more questions and answers from the same chapter. So, NCERT textbooks are so full of points and questions that you can actually think of encountering in your examinations. That's why they are really important. Not only they give you the base for understanding any subject, but also they are full of important points for examination. And no doubt a standard textbook is always welcome, but starting with the basics is a necessity for most of the candidates. Same goes with me. So in this process I'm trying to help myself as well as other fellow aspirants. So hope all of you will be with me in this journey. So let's begin. First question: what is the direction of the Himalayas? The options are west-east, east-west, northwest, southeast, and the answer is west-east. That means the Himalayas run from the west towards the east. Next question. What is the distance covered by the Himalayas? The options are 2400 kilometer, 2100 kilometer, 2300 kilometer, 2200 kilometer, and the answer is 2400 kilometer. Next question. How many ranges are there in its longitudinal extent? The options are 3, 4, 5, 6, and the answer is 3. That means there are 3 ranges in its longitudinal extent. Next question. What is the name of the northernmost range of the Himalayas? The options are Himadri, Shivaliks, Himachal, Purvachal, and the answer is Himadri, also called Great or Inner Himalayas. Next question. Which is the most continuous range of the Himalayas? The options are Himadri, Shivalik, Himachal, and none of the above. The answer is Himadri. It also consists of the loftiest peaks. That means the high peaks are there in Himadri. What is the average height of the Himadri? The options are 6000 meter, 7000 meter, 4000 meter, 3000 meter, and the answer is 6000 meter. Next question. Which range consists of all the prominent Himalayan peaks? The options are Himadri, Shivaliks, Purvachal, Himachal, and the answer is Himadri. Next question. Which is the most rugged mountain system? The options are Himadri, Shivalik, Purvachal, none of the above, and the answer is Himadri. Another question. To which direction of the Himadri lies the Himachal? The options are north, south, east, west, and the answer is south. Next question. Which one of the following is known as Lesser Himalayas? The options are Himadri, Himachal, Purvachal, none of the above, and the answer is Himachal. Next question. Average width of the Himachal range. The options are 50 kilometer, 70 kilometer, 100 kilometer, 30 kilometer? The answer is 50 kilometer. Next question. Altitude range of Himachal. The options are 3700 to 4500 meter, 3000 to 4000 meter, 2000 to 3000 meter, none of the above. The answer is 3700 to 4500 meter. Another question. Longest range of the Himachal. The options are Pir Panjal range, Dhauladhar range, Mahabharat range, and none of the above. The answer is Pir Panjal range. Another question. Which is the outermost range of the Himalayas? The options are Himadri, Himachal, Purvachal, none of the above. The answer is Shivaliks. Here I think I have goofed up with the options, but let's just stick to the question and the answer here by ignoring the options. So which is the outermost range of the Himalayas? Shivaliks. Next question. Which of the following are peaks of the Himalayas? Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna, Nanda Devi, Kamet, Namcha Barwa, Gurla Mandhata, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Match the following. Choose the correct option. Mussoorie, Uttarakhand, Nainital, Uttarakhand, Ranikhet, Uttarakhand, all of the above. So which is the correct option? All of the above are correct option. Next question. Width of Shivaliks 10 to 50 kilometer, 30 to 40 kilometer, 20 to 30 kilometer, none of the above. And what is the answer? The answer is 10 to 50 kilometer. Another question. Altitude range of the Shivaliks. The options are 900 to 1100 meter, 800 to 900 meter, 600 to 800 meter, 700 to 800 meter. The answer is 900 to 1100 meter. Another question. In which range lie the valleys of Kashmir and Kangra and Kullu Valley in Himachal Pradesh? The options are Himadri, Shivaliks, Himachal, none of the above. The answer is Himachal. Which river is the easternmost part of the Himalayas? The options are Brahmaputra, Tista, Ganga, Hooghly. The answer is Brahmaputra. Next question. Himalayas spread along the eastern boundary of India are known as. The options are Purvachal, Himachal, Shivaliks, Ganesh, Himal. The answer is Purvachal. Another question. What does the Purvachal comprise of? The options are Patkai Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, Mizo Hills, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. What is the name of the longitudinal valley lying between the Himachal and Shivaliks? The options are Duns, Hills, Mutt, Dila. The answer is Duns. Example Dehradun, Kotlidun, and Patlidun. Another question. So here is a fill in the blank question. The peninsular plateau constitutes one of the dash landmasses of the Earth's surface. The options are ancient or recent. The answer is ancient. Another question. The peninsular plateau is supposed to be one of the most dash land blocks. The options are stable or unstable. Answer is stable. The Himalayas and the northern plains are the most dash landforms. Recent or ancient? The answer is recent. From the geological point of view, Himalayan mountains form an unstable or stable zone. Answer: unstable. More fill in the blanks questions. The northern plains are formed of alluvial deposits, and the peninsular plateau is composed of igneous and metamorphic rocks. The major physiographic divisions of India are six in number. And what are those physiographic divisions? The physiographic divisions are the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the islands. Now, here are some points regarding the Himalayan mountains. The Himalayas run from west-east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra, and they cover a distance of about 2400 kilometers. Their width varies from 400 kilometers in Kashmir to 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh. The altitudinal variation is more in the eastern half than in the western half. Then, the Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent, and according to some books, it is actually four, where they have also included the Tethys Tibetan or Trans-Himalayan range, including the Karakoram, Ladakh, and Zanskar ranges, and these are not mentioned in NCERT book. Okay, so highest peak of the Himalayas? The answer is Mount Everest. We all know this, so there is no need to go through the options here, it seems. Which of the following are peaks of the Himalayas? Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna, Nanda Devi, Kamet, Namcha Barwa, Gurla Mandhata. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Name of glaciers and passes that lie in the Great Himalayas. So the glaciers are Gangotri, Siachen, Zemu, Lonak, Sonapani, Pindari, and for more such names of the glaciers, we can actually consult Wikipedia because there are many such glaciers. Okay, these are some of the important examples. Then passes. What are some of the passes that are there in the Great Himalayas? Rohtangla, Nathula, Jelepla, Shipkila, Manapas. And for other such names, we can consult the Wikipedia. Name of states where highest peaks are located. So where is the Kanchenjunga located? Sikkim. Nanda Devi, Uttarakhand, and it is entirely in India. Kamet, Uttarakhand. The Shivalik ranges are composed of unconsolidated sediments brought down by rivers from the main Himalayan ranges located farther north. The valleys are covered with thick gravel and alluvium. Division of Himalayas on the basis of regions from west to east, demarcated by river valleys. The part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya. It is also known as Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya from west to east, respectively. The part of the Himalayas lying between the Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumaon Himalayas. The Kali and Tista rivers demarcate the Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between Tista and Dihang rivers is known as Assam Himalayas. Regional names of the Himalayas: Sagarmatha Himal, Gauri Shankar Himal, Purvachal, Jugal Himal, Ganesh Himal. Beyond the Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India. They are known as the Purvachal or the Eastern Hills and Mountains. They run through the northeastern states, composed of strong sandstones, which are sedimentary rocks. They are covered with dense forests and run as parallel ranges and valleys. So all these points for today's video. As I'm unwell, I could not work much on this, but hope to come back with more quality videos from next time onwards. Keep well. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.